Hello guys, welcome back to DIY Electronics Zone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to repair your dead power bank step by step. Welcome to DIY Electronics Zone. Have you ever wondered how metals are transformed into electrical components? Let's explore the fascinating world of ElectroMetal works and its role in modern technology. What is ElectroMetal works? ElectroMetal works involve shaping and processing metals to create electrical parts and devices. It includes metal cutting and welding, electroplating for surface protection, wire winding for motors and transformers, metal molding for circuit housings. These techniques are essential in producing everything from smartphones to electric cars. Why is it important? ElectroMetal works ensure high precision in electronic components, durability and heat resistance, lightweight designs for portable devices. Without this process, modern electronics wouldn't function efficiently or last long. ElectroMetal works power the devices we use every day. If you enjoyed learning about this topic, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to DIY Electronics Zone for more tech knowledge. Hello everyone, welcome to DIY Electronics Zone. We'll break down how power bank circuits work and everything you need to know about polymer batteries. Whether you're repairing a power bank or curious about its technology, stay tuned. Section 1. What is a power bank circuit? A power bank circuit is the brain of your portable charger. It manages the power flow between the battery and your devices. The circuit typically includes battery protection IC to prevent overcharging and overdischarging, boost converter to step up the battery voltage from 3.7 volts to 5 volts USB output, charging IC to recharge the battery safely. Without this circuit, your power bank wouldn't function safely or efficiently. Section 2. What is a polymer battery? Most modern power banks use lithium polymer LiPo batteries instead of older lithium-ion batteries. Polymer batteries are lightweight, flexible, and have better energy density. However, they require proper protection because they are more sensitive to overcharging and overheating. Common ratings are 3.7 volts with capacities ranging from 2000 mAh to 10,000 mAh or more. Section 3. How to identify and replace batteries. If your power bank isn't working, here's how to check the battery. Use a multimeter to measure voltage. A healthy polymer battery should show around 3.7 volts to 4.2 volts. If voltage is below 3.0 volts, the battery is likely dead. When replacing, always choose the same capacity and voltage to avoid damaging the circuit. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DIY Electronics Zone for more tech repair tips. When replacing, always choose the same capacity and voltage to avoid damaging the circuit. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DIY Electronics Zone for more tech repair tips. If your power bank is not charging or turning on, don't throw it away. You can easily fix it at home. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll share some important tips to extend your power bank's lifespan. Let's get started. Tools needed. First, let's talk about the tools you will need for this repair. A small screwdriver, a soldering iron, some soldering wire, a multimeter, and of course, a new lithium-ion battery. You can easily find these tools online or in any local electronics shop. Disassembling the power bank. Now, let's open the power bank. Most power banks have hidden clips on the sides. Use a screwdriver to gently pry open the case. Be careful not to damage the plastic body. Once you open it, you will see the circuit board and battery inside. Battery checking and cleaning. The first thing you need to do is check the battery. Use your multimeter to measure the battery voltage. A healthy lithium-ion battery should show around 3.7 volts to 4.2 volts. If the voltage is below 3 volts, the battery is completely dead and needs to be replaced. Before replacing the battery, clean the circuit board using a brush or cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol. This helps to remove dust and moisture from the board. Battery replacement. Now let's replace the battery. Carefully desolder the old battery wires from the circuit board. Always remember, the red wire is positive plus, the black wire is negative. Solder the new battery in the same way as the old one. Make sure to apply proper insulation to avoid any short circuit. Circuit testing. Once the battery is installed, it's time to test the circuit. Plug the power bank into a charger and check if the LED indicator lights up. Use the multimeter again to test the output voltage from the USB port. It should show 5 volts. If everything is working fine, congratulations, your power bank is fixed. If everything is working fine, congratulations, your power bank is fixed. Final assembly and testing. Now, close the power bank case and secure it properly. Test the power bank by charging your phone or any USB device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more DIY tech repair videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching DIY Electronics Zone. See you in the next video.